it okay if we do one more? Before we get started, I want y'all to know that we're also playing tomorrow night, and then we'll also be playing at the Ryman later on this year. So if you don't know what we're doing, please come out to that show. We'll have some special guests there as well, and we just really appreciate that. Even Nashville is inviting us to these shows, which has been amazing.
Amen.
Next up, I was going to say, is we have this sort of pact with ourselves that as we go to a new venue, a new place, we try to leave a lasting imprint of resonance in the walls. So we can't do it alone. So all I'm asking you is on this one song, when the chorus hits, I'm going to give you the microphone. You just got to sing one word at the top of your lungs. And that word is power.
Shake this place up. Let's make it as loud as we possibly can. So let's split the room in half. Y'all over here with me. You guys over here with Adam. Let's do it. Give me some of that.